I got my fleece the year I moved to America from China. That jacket is kind of like my partner to me. It carries lots of memories. That's when I started climbing and I joined the New Mexico Mountain Club. In the outings, I noticed people from the club who has torn up gear, and I thought to myself, hey, I could fix it. Since I was very young, I just like to repair things. My earliest memory, when I was 5-year-old, I was repairing my own sock with needle and thread. So I actually started offering my service to everybody from the climbing club. And now I repair gear as a full-time job. Whenever people bring me their favorite gear, it's not just to bring back the function, it's also to keep that memory alive.